Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect IntelliJ with PostgreSQL. First, open IntelliJ IDE and find the database tool window, usually on the right side. Click the plus icon to add a new data source. From the list, select PostgreSQL. IntelliJ will then prompt you to download the necessary JDBC driver, which is crucial for establishing the connection. This initial setup is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. Next, you will configure the connection details. Make sure the PostgreSQL JDBC driver is successfully downloaded. Enter your database host, typically localhost, and the default port, which is 5432. Provide the specific database name you wish to connect to, along with your PostgreSQL username and password. Always click the Test Connection button to confirm everything is working correctly before proceeding. Once connected, IntelliJ's database tool window offers powerful features. You can easily browse all your database schemas, tables, and views. The integrated SQL console allows you to write and execute queries directly. Furthermore, you can use the data editors to modify table content with ease. This comprehensive set of tools greatly streamlines your database interactions, making development much more productive. For advanced usage or troubleshooting, remember a few key points. If you encounter connection problems, verify your firewall settings are not blocking access. Always ensure your PostgreSQL server is actively running. For secure remote access, consider setting up an SSH tunnel. Regularly updating your JDBC driver ensures optimal performance and compatibility with newer database versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.